Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create your own Amazon account in a step-by-step process. My name is Pawan Dakal, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, then make sure to leave your question in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. Firstly, you can visit the link that I have given in the description below, or you can simply type amazon.com. Once you do this much, then you click on start here, and then you can put your name here, and then just put your email address and make a password that you can remember. Now retype the password. And simply click on create your Amazon account. So it will say your authentication is required, and you can simply solve this puzzle that is shown here. And click on continue, and you will receive an OTP. It is a kind of one-time password. It will come to your email address. Simply click on that and copy this code and paste it at here, and click on create your Amazon account. So yes, you are done now. You already have your own Amazon account. Now one more thing that I would like to show you. You can go here and click on account. You can scroll down below, and you can update your payment information here, your address here. Okay, it is important because once you make some order in Amazon, you need to get your order delivered to the right address. So it is good to save your address primarily. And then payment information is also important to update because you need to pay for the order that you are going to make, and you can manage other things by looking at here. So this much I want to show you in this video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.